Hi everyone, good morning. I hope you all are good and fantastic and enjoying your life. So, my friend, this is going to be my first video I'm recording in the morning. Otherwise, I have made so many videos during afternoon. I didn't record those videos in the morning. Yes. So now I don't feel very comfortable. Yeah. But I will talk to you today anyhow. It is because, my friend, I am going to change my routine. Yes, because winter season is about to end very soon. Now the time is February month. Yeah, and because if I record my video in the afternoon, my sound may be not clear to you. Yes, yesterday I was speaking. I was recording video and it was blowing very hard, and I think, friend, due to air, due to very hard blowing, you couldn't hear my voice nicely. So I think hereafter, don't hereafter you should not, you will not face this problem, my voice problem, because I will record my video in morning. Yeah. So today I don't have any special thing to tell you. Yeah. But one thing I want to tell you, that whatever new habit we want to bring our life, in the first two to 3 days, it may be difficult, but as we follow every single day, uh, even when we don't feel like, after that what happens, our mind accept this thing, our conscious mind confess that, yeah, you have to work on this time. So my friend, in this way, whatever uh, method you want to apply in your life to learn this language, at first it may feel difficult to you, but after 5 to 6 days you will see it natural. Yeah. And yeah, this thing is going to be very difficult, 5 to 6 days. I know very well, and I find it very difficulty. I was not willing to record my video in this time because this time is going to be new for me. But I somehow mustered my courage and came here to record it. Yeah. So my friend, I don't have any special to tell you today. Yeah. This is what I wanted to tell you, that from today I will record my voice morning time. Yeah. And tomorrow we will meet like this. Yeah. Till then, bye bye and take care yourself.